Hello, this is a quick setup tutorial video on how to get started with your LinkMatch HubSpot integration. If you don't see this login form, you can navigate it by clicking on this green check mark. If you don't see the green check mark, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner of your Chrome browser, go to More Tools, Extensions, locate LinkMatch for HubSpot, click Details, and then Extension Options. As a first step, please make sure you're logged into your HubSpot. Afterwards, go to the LinkMatch options page and click Sign in with HubSpot. If you have several HubSpot accounts, you will be asked to choose one to proceed further. Once successfully logged in, you can go to LinkedIn and refresh the page. You should now see either green check marks or red crosses next to LinkedIn profiles. This would mean that LinkMatch was successfully authorized and is working. If you see the following message when trying to log into LinkMatch, this means that your HubSpot administrator should adjust the permission settings for your HubSpot account. Please contact your HubSpot administrator and share with them this video. Once you've shared this video with them, they need to perform the following actions. They should open their HubSpot account and click on the menu on the top right. Then go to Account and Billing, Company Info, User and Teams. Select the user that the permissions should be adjusted for, and then on the Contacts tab, choose Everything or Team Only for the View section, and Everything or Team Only for the Edit section. Scroll down and under the CRM Settings tab, make sure that the Import box is checked. And lastly, proceed to the Marketing tab and make sure that the lists are checked as well. Once the permissions are set, your HubSpot administrator should disconnect LinkMatch on the integrations page if the connection was previously established. And then the administrator should log into LinkMatch as described in the beginning of this video. After these steps were completed by your HubSpot administrator, you can now attempt to log into LinkMatch once again. If you still can't log in or don't see green check marks or red crosses on LinkedIn or have any other issues with LinkMatch, please contact us at linkmatch.net/HubSpot. For best performance, we recommend configuring LinkMatch from the Options page. On the Account Settings tab, you will see on which day your trial expires. You also have the option to subscribe to LinkMatch at any time. On the Fields Display Option tab, you will be able to organize the view of the LinkMatch pop-up window on LinkedIn. You'll have the option to either hide or rearrange the fields. The Parsing Options tab will give you an opportunity to customize how the information is saved from LinkedIn to your HubSpot. By dragging and dropping the fields, you will tell LinkMatch how you would like the information to be saved. This will ensure that you have all the necessary information saved from the LinkedIn page. Please note that LinkMatch will only save the information that is publicly available on the LinkedIn page. And lastly, on the Matching Options tab, you can either set the LinkedIn profile matching on demand or auto. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll enjoy using LinkMatch for HubSpot. If you have any other questions or need help with anything else, please contact us at linkmatch.net/HubSpot either through our chat, email, or phone.